All right, perfect. So now that we have the markup right here, all right, we got our form done, our login page. Let's go and create some of the functionality that's going to receive that data with a post super global. All right. So first of all, let me just change this class here real quick. Call this SM. All right, perfect. That's just gonna make this bigger here. That way we can concentrate on that, right? So you notice that I just change the class and it just makes it bigger. If you want, you can just leave the XS, which means extra small. This is this small, and we can do medium too. All right, but I just want to leave it like this. So that way I can write whatever I want there. So it expands the whole window. But anyway, so let's go on top of this page. What we are going to be doing is receiving the um, the information right here on top. I'm just gonna do everything in one page. All right. So what are we going to do here? We are going to be receiving some of this information, and we already did some of this before when we created the form. We're talking about the post super global. So for this, we need to receive that data from the form, and we're going to use the eset function, and we are going to be checking for post super global with a value of submit. Right, we're sending that from the submit button, and we're going to do something when we see it. So let's just try to see if we get the information first. All right, yes, we got the information. We got it. That would be this. Let's just submit it, and we're not getting it. All right, that's why it's always good to check it. So I made a mistake here somewhere, and we need to find out where it is. So let's go here. As a matter of fact, I think I know where it is, but let's just double check it here, see what's going on. All right, so we have here type submit. We have even the name for the input. We have the value submit. But when we come here, we can't find the information anywhere. It's like the form is not sending it. So can you see what's going on? Can you check? Can you spot the problem? All right, just if you want to pause the video and check it, you can check it. I already saw the problem, and it's just a misspelling of a word. Anyway, it's the misspelling of this word here. It's called method, and you probably already saw that when I was doing it. I was kind of rushing through it. And let's just refresh it. Click submit, and now we got the information. All right. This happens when you are typing it fast and you have it in your head first. All right. So now that we know that we are receiving the data, what do we want to do with the data? Well, we know that we are receiving all this data. We're not just receiving the submit name right here. We are receiving the password, and we are receiving the username. And let's make this a little bigger again, right there. So let's go ahead and receive that over here. All right, I'm losing my voice again. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna receive that here. We're gonna receive this here. I'm gonna show you right now what I'm gonna do. We are going to receive the username in the same way we received the submit. We are going to receive the password. All right, and we can assign a variable. So let's assign it a username variable, and right there, right? And let's just echo this thing out to see if, let's just echo everything right out right there. I'm just gonna echo it right here. That's fine. Username, see if that is working. Let's do the echo for password, and you should be usually, all right, let's correct that. What you should be doing is copying this and pasting it right here, so that way you don't make mistakes. All right, I just like making mistakes. The more mistakes I make, the better I get. And just click submit, and I made another mistake here somewhere, right? So we just gotta check here what's going on, right? So we click submit, we're supposed to be pulling all these values here. All right, so we're supposed to be pulling the username and supposed to be pulling the values out of here. So we type here, we type here, There we go now, right? Because what it is that if you don't put the values here, we're not gonna get it. Remember that what we're getting here, this name here, what we're getting, this is a text input. This name here means that is the value that you're gonna type in here, not just when you click submit. We haven't set the value yet, so we don't know the value. When we type submit, for example, say Edwin and Superman is my password, I click enter, then you get that here. So this is working. We're receiving some information from the form, all right, and we got it up here. Next, we're gonna be doing some connection with the database. All right, so thank you for watching this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.